I have no idea how I ever get laid. Like, I hooked up with this one girl recently. It was our first time having sex. It'll definitely be our last. Because it was just weird. Like, it was just, like, usually when you're having sex with somebody, there's like a sound to it, you know? There's like a rhythm, you know? Like, oh, your dick's so big, you know, shit like that, right? Okay, just me. Jesus Christ, is there no black guys here? What the fuck? You get it, right? Yeah, you get it. One black guy's like, yeah, I don't know about these little dick fucks. I got you. He's like, I get that all the time. Yeah, I don't know what they're talking about. What the fuck is so random? So, I was having sex with this girl, and the sound she was making, it was so weird. Like, it was just constant. Like, we're in the middle of sex, and she's just going, Dude, I'm like, are the fucking Germans bombing, or did your vagina fall off a cliff? What is happening? I'm like, do we finish fucking or are we finding shelter? What are we doing here, you know?